What's that, puppy? Snow? Is this our first snow puppy? Is it? Holy
really?
mackerel! Look at all that white stuff! What is that, eh? What is that? Oh, is that exciting? Is that exciting, dog? Snow! Bruce found snow! Oh, look at the snow, Bruce! Holy mackerel, Bruce! Look at all that snow! That's crazy snow! Oh, that's crazy! Are you excited? Are you excited? That's so much snow, Bruce! Look at the snow, Bruce! Look at the snow! Look at the Bruce! Look at the Bruce! Look at the snow! Hey! Look at that! Holy cow, Bruce! That's snow! Snowmageddon! Snowmageddon, Bruce! Holy mackerel, Snowmageddon! Whee! What'd you see? What'd you see? Did you smell a squirrel? Or deer? Chipmunk? Rabbit, maybe? Just as long as you don't find skunk. No finding skunk, okay, Bruce? No finding skunk. Whee! Whee! Well, there you are. I couldn't see you for a second. You were hiding so well. Wanna go up there? Wanna go up there? Let's go. Open the door. Let's open the door. Whee! Oh, there you go, Bruce. Whoa. There we go. Up and down the driveway. Up and down the driveway. Looking for snow. Looking for snow. Looking for the driveway. Holy mackerel, Bruce. Holy mackerel, it's snowing. It's snowing, Bruce. That's crazy. Nope, we can't go out on the road. Go out on the road. Nope, we can't go. No one's going on the road right now. There's so much snow. Come on, let's go home. Let's go home, Bruce. Let's go home. Yep, let's go home. Find home, Bruce. Show me where home is. Is that where home is? Let's go home, Bruce. Find home. Gotta go home. Is this home? Hey, you found home, Bruce. Yeah, shake off some snow. Shake off some snow. Let's go.